In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook dating profile not visible. So if your Facebook dating profile is not visible, it could be due to settings, restrictions, or technical issues. So the first thing you always want to do is you want to double check that you actually are eligible to be in Facebook dating. So you need to make sure that Facebook dating is in your country because it is not supported everywhere. However, if you're in a country like the United States, then you should be good to go. You also need to confirm that you're 18 or older and your Facebook account is in good standing, meaning that there's no recent bans or restrictions. So if you don't even see this option over here, like the little heart, so if you go to the top right and then we go ahead and press on see more, typically there's going to be an option over here that says dating, and if you don't even see that, then what that likely means is that it is not available in your region or your account may be flagged. So even if you do see it and you realize you're not getting matches or anything like that, it could be because you did not put like a regular profile picture. So you actually need to put a picture of your face in your profile in order for it to get recommended to other people. So guys, please go ahead and keep that in mind. And by the way, if you just recently deleted your Facebook dating profile and then you're trying to get it again, that is not going to work. You do need to wait a little bit because there is sort of like a cooldown. So you really need to go ahead and keep that in mind whenever you are trying to use Facebook dating. But if you guys verify that you're over 18, you're in an area where Facebook dating is actually available and you're still running into this issue, what I recommend that you guys do is actually open up the Facebook Help Center. So you just want to go ahead and look up Facebook Help Center in any web browser you do have. Then you would just want to go ahead and press on the first link, and then it is going to bring you to a page that looks like this. And basically you need to go ahead and contact them and explain to them your situation, explain to them that you are not able to see Facebook dating. So guys, if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.